first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello guys, welcome to DIY Repair Now. Today we're going to be working on an LG washer. The model number is on the display.
The problem that we have with this washer is that when you put it on any load, let me open the water valve. We're going to see if we can make it happen. It will start filling in water and then it will not stop. It will not stop filling in water, so it will overfill or it will start draining by itself. I don't know if you guys see. It's not happening, but the first time I was here, it will start filling in water, and then I will press the off button. The whole machine will turn off, and it will still bring water in. After it's too much water in, the board sends signal and voltage to the drain pump, and it will start draining the water, and it will still have water coming in. So that is the problem that we have with this LG Pro-Low washer. We're gonna see if we can make it happen. If it doesn't happen, that means we're just gonna go ahead and start doing everything. Yeah, it's not happening, but it happens the first time I was here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the water valve because that is our problem. The water valve, what happens is the water valve opens and then they stay open after the board is telling them to turn off. They will stay on the open position. They will not close, so it will still bring water in. And remove the two screws that holds the top panel. They are Phillips screws, like so. And here we have our water valve. We're gonna go ahead and take a picture just to learn the position of the terminals, the electrical terminals, just in case. Take a couple pictures and go ahead and start. Also take a picture of the water hoses in case they have to be plugged in, and then you don't remember where they go with a couple pictures, you will know. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start unplugging the water hoses. Go ahead and detach the hoses clamps one by one. One at a time, like so. Each one will have a hose clamp. Just go ahead and remove them. way you see on this video. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the harness, the terminals. Don't forget to unplug the washer before you start working on it. And we're gonna go ahead and start getting the water hoses loose. They will get very attached to the thing, so get like a channel lock pliers or regular pliers and go ahead and get them loose like so, because you don't want to break the tip because it will stay in the water hose. You can hear break it from the attachment every time you twist it. Go ahead and detach them one by one, like so. Be prepared for water to spill out. This way. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the water valve. This is our water valve. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description of this video. This is the hot side water valve. You can get this on Amazon or Repair Clinic. And this is the cold side water valve. As you see, same exact thing. So this one, it's a little different. The solenoid, the harness is on the side, but we're gonna make it work. But this one is identical. On the side for a little bit, and now we're gonna get the water valves loose. Get to the back or tilted doing it. Now remember to close the water valves. And now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our water hoses. This one goes to cold and hot. This is the new water valve. I'm going to go ahead and set it in place. I'm going to align, make sure the screws are in line with each other. And put it in place. Now, I'm going to remove the cold side. Like so. and we're gonna put the new one in. This is the new one. Also, they say there was water coming out of here, so that was probably because there was too much water and the soap was reaching all the way here. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug our water hoses in place. And the cold side. Okay, now we got that part done. What we're gonna do is go ahead and start attaching our water hoses one by one. And go ahead and put the clamps also one by one. This is a very simple repair if you take your time and do it with patience. Okay, now we got all our water hoses clamped and water hoses in place. We're gonna go ahead and start attaching all the electrical terminals like so. And we're gonna have a bit of a pickle here because this one, it's a little different. We're gonna see if we can twist this. However, I'm gonna go ahead and put a different link on the description of this video. That way you don't run into this situation. Because this one's supposed to be pointing the wiring this way. And I was hoping I don't have to do this. No big deal. It's basically the same thing. That is just a solenoid that has to be twisted. And that was it. Okay, Now we're gonna go ahead and plug in this one on the side and this one. If you run into this situation, you already know what to do. However, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Make sure we don't have any leaks. We have a little bit of complication there, but at this point we're pretty much done. So we're gonna go ahead and install the 2 screws that hold this top panel, and that'll be it. Gotta make sure your water valves are not leaking. And as you can see, we are done. Everything is working fine. Water valves are working the way they're supposed to. And that's it.
If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.